Rabbil Alameen. May Allah makes this visit a fruitful visit. The best thing in the world is to work and make halal money, right?
Nobody's better than anybody here, okay? Yeah. And I started on the phones myself. Rita started on the phones himself. We know what it's like. It's a grind, but we're all here to grind together.
Great game.
तीन छक्के मारे हैं उसके अलावा शॉट प्रॉपर लगी थी
मेन प्लेयर हमारा दिस गाय प्लेड वेरी वेल एवरेज सेट ये से हमारी
Good job baby, one more.
Assalamu alaikum. Guys, it's been a blessing since we got here. Got to meet all you guys, say hello, understand each other. We're about to do a lot of changes here. We're so excited. We're so honored.
The NGT and all the staff, we welcome both of you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being, sportive and whatever you've done for us. Inshallah, it's going to be a great ride together.